I'm Katie Jobling and I'm an artist and a YouTuber. I really love painting because it enables me to capture the way I feel about the world and then share that with other people. Creating videos of me and my process when I'm creating artwork has really become an extension of that artwork and another way I can express myself. You'd think that sharing your creations online would make you feel really vulnerable, but actually along with those vulnerabilities grew the most amazing supportive community that you could ever imagine. Some viewers have even let me know how my videos have affected them personally and really helped them to get through a hard time, which for me it feels really amazing to be able to have that connection with other people. What I really love about sharing my passion with other people is it opens up that conversation between me and my viewers and enables me to show them what I'm working on. It's less about the end product and it's more about the process and realising how that makes other people feel.
That's a wrap!